guys, welcome back to my Joy's Toy Joe, and today I'm super duper excited because I'm going to be opening Crybaby's Magic Tears Katie's Super House. Oh, I'm so excited, and I got two Crybaby's Magic Tears, and I absolutely love playing with doll houses and stuff because it's just what I like, really. I just love them. So let's get started. So guys, we've got Katie's Super House out the packaging, and how cool is this? Katie don't even know what it looks like because she hasn't been in it yet. And it's got all the stickers on, all the accessories inside. It just looks so cool. But before we do anything, I'm gonna let Katie see her friends first, so then they all get to look around the house together. So let's do that. Katie, I'm going to pop you in a little lift. What shall I open, a boy or a girl? I'm going to open a girl. Oh, the pink's my favourite colour. Ooh. I'm not going to have a look at the doll yet. Let me go and not have a look. Open. Ooh, we've got a chair. Ooh, Katie, you have some chairs. Ooh, what door shall we open? Let's open this one. Ooh. What is it? Ooh, it's a little basket. Picnic basket. Katie, picnic basket for you. Get the bottle. There's the bottle. Oh, it's gold! I got one of the gold accessories. They're ultra rare. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Ooh, we got another dummy. We've got my ultra rare dummy, and I think this is the main dummy. Ooh, we've got an apple. Oh, imagine if that were a gold apple. Two golds. Yeah. That would be brilliant. And then got a little gold one. Oh, it's a little thing that you put around the neck. You ready, guys? Let's see what I've got. Oh, it's a giraffe. I've seen this one before. Oh, it's so cute. Katie, look. Your friend. So, guys, I got Gigi. Oh, they're so cute. So there's 12 dolls to collect now, and there's going to be another 12 available soon. Ooh, I wonder what those ones are going to be like. So let's see what other friend Katie's got. Ooh. Have a look at the chair. Ooh, ooh, pink. Baby pink. Ooh, baby pink. Baby pink one. A tear. Oh, there we go. Is that a little suitcase? Ooh, we've got a bottle. It's my favourite colour, pink. Let's open this one. Got dummy. What colour is it? Oh, pink. Keep on trying to trick you guys. Got a pink dummy. And I've got pink little. See what goes on with me. cute. Little camera. She is packed to go on holiday. I think it's too much. I've heard of this one. It's called Ellie. I have a friend called Ellie. Now let's go around to Katie's house. Now let's let Katie come downstairs. Ooh, Fishy's cat. Let me take her. Hi guys, what are you doing today? Oh, we're both good playing, and we noticed your house and we wanted to come around because we heard it was new. Okay, let's go. Come in there. Ooh. So guys, Gigi and Ellie have gone in the house, so let's have a look. So Gigi and Ellie are having a picnic while Katie is in the bath. Oh, Gigi says something. What's the matter, Katie? Oh, she wants to come out. Okay. Hi guys, what's your matter? Oh, you want to tell me to leave? Okay. I've got some cupcakes in the oven. Let me just go check on them. Guys, they're going to be another like 5 minutes. While you're waiting, I'm going to go get a drink. Is that okay? Okay, I got my drink. Let me just have the drink. All done. Oh no, I think she's gonna cry. It's the Crybaby song. Oh golly gosh. Bubbles! So let's see if the Crybaby can make more bubbles. It's the Crybaby song! Wow. Right, let's go see if my buns are done. Excuse me guys. Oh, they're so close to be done, guys. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing Katie's super house as much as I did, because I think it is super cool, because it makes bubbles and the Crybaby song. How cool is that? I love it. And I hope you enjoyed seeing Katie's newest friends, because I enjoyed playing with them. So that's the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below. I would love if you subscribe, press the notification button, share with family and friends. Bye guys!